I found an AI tool which can create custom AI models, clothing models, and Instagram influencers. This tool allows you to change models and their backgrounds with a single click. Trust me, these are all generated by a single AI tool for free. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process to create one of the following. So watch the full video without skipping any of the step. Welcome to AI Upskill. I'll be using an AI tool called WeShop AI. It is an AI-powered e-commerce creative studio that allows users to simply switch clothing with multiple models. With this AI model, you guys can create consistent model face across all images, ensuring consistency for your Instagram influencer or e-commerce store. To begin creating, you must first sign in with your Google account. You will be redirected to this dashboard after logging in. The tools that are available are shown on the left panel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the AI model function. Click on New Task and upload a source image into the box. I'll select this image and wait for the processing to finish. As you can see, it automatically masked out the outfit. Keep in mind that the mask part will remain same in generations. However, if there's a mistake, you can change it using the controls provided below. As of now, I'll click Done. Below you will see a wide range of available models. Continue scrolling down to see available locations. As you can see, there are plenty of locations too. However, as of now, we will not choose a model or location, as we will use the description option to describe the image we want. You can enter a prompt based on the model and background that you need. The area below allows you to enter a negative prompt. I'll keep that box empty for now. Let's hit generate and wait for the generations. Here are the results. As you can see, it completely changed the model in the background according to our given prompt, without even modifying her outfit. You can download them by clicking here. Now let's create an image by choosing the model and background features. So we'll follow the same steps as before, only this time we'll choose a pre-generated model, which in my case is Mary, and a pre-generated location, which is a white wall. We will not include a description because a model and a background have already been chosen. Let's hit generate and wait for the generations. Here are the results. As you can see, it entirely changed the background and model without changing her clothing or accessories. I must say, this tool is incredible. Now let's create our own custom AI model, but before continuing, I just noticed 95% of you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. Let's get back to the video. Click on New Task and select the Create Your Own Model option. Upload at least 2 or 3 training photos of your model into this box. You can use WeShop's text-to-image tool to build a perfect model. I will choose these images. Here's an example of the images you need to upload. From above, enter the name of your custom model. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. I will select the influencer vibe face type and check this box. Finally, click the confirm button and wait for the results. Once completed, we will follow the same steps as shown before. This includes adding a source image, choosing our custom model, selecting the desired location and clicking the generate button. See, the results are amazing. It has completely changed the skin tone, face, and background. Now, suppose you only have a dress and not an existing clothing model. No problem, we can still add a model and background to it. Here's an example from my generations, so we'll follow the same steps as before. Click New Task and then upload a mannequin image. I'll select this image and wait for the processing to be completed. As you can see, it automatically masked out the outfit. However, there are some mistakes in it, so we'll mask it out manually. Select the Edit option. Click Reset and mask out the outfit only. From below, we'll choose a pre-generated model. I'll select this model. Continue scrolling down to view available locations, and select any of them. Lastly, click Generate and wait for the generations. See, the results are here. It has perfectly transformed a mannequin into a model in all 4 generations. Click here to download them. Let's look at the pricing for this tool. The free version only provides 200 points, making it tough to use and earn from the tool. If you want to use it professionally and consistently make money from your AI Instagram influencer page or your clothing brand, you must purchase a premium plan. There are 2 available plans, monthly and points package. The monthly plan is $9.99 per month, while the points package is $49, $99, and $399. You can choose a plan that meets your requirements. I believe it's reasonable because you will get a range of features in one tool. The website link is included in the video description. Feel free to give this a try. See how we use this free AI tool to transform both the model and the background. You guys can earn dollars using this AI tool because this tool has endless opportunity via many sources such as Instagram influencers, clothing models, and creating your own clothing business. If you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days.